Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening YouTube and making sure you're signed into the exact account whose search history you want to reset. Once signed in, tap your profile icon and go to Settings or Manage your Google account to confirm account details. This prevents clearing the wrong profile. Make sure the app is updated and your connection is stable, because history changes sync across devices. Now that you're verified and connected, move to Privacy Settings to access search history controls and prepare to clear or pause it. Next, navigate into History and Privacy on mobile or History via the left-hand menu on desktop. This is where search history tools live. You'll see Clear Search History to remove everything and Manage all to review and selectively delete individual queries. If you prefer to stop tracking instead of deleting, toggle Pause Search History so new searches won't save. Once done with your selection, confirm any prompts. YouTube will sync deletions across devices, so double-check on another device if you use multiple sites. Finally, confirm the clear or pause action and wait a minute for changes to sync. Then check another device to verify the history is gone. If some search entries persist, sign out and back in, update the app, or clear your browser cache and try again. Make sure you check the correct Google account. History tied to a different account won't be affected. One troubleshooting tip: if YouTube still shows old searches, open Google My Activity to find and remove lingering entries by date or product.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.